Hey guys and dolls, welcome back to the makeup community. I am surrounded here by wonderful benefit tins here. The 4 products that we are giving away from the benefit tins. We've got a full-size highbrow, a full-size Bad Gal Bang mascara, a full-size professional primer, and a trial size of the Go-Go tint. But because it's liquid, it is actually a pretty good size. And last night, I selected the winners. Now, I was going to give away 5 winners, plus the member of the community who suggested this as a gift, but there were so many people who entered that I purchased one for myself, and I am going to give this one away also. So we will have a total of 7. Now, if you hear your name and you haven't heard from me, make sure you email me or get a hold of me on Instagram. Those are in the description, the bottom of the description box on the channel, because I want to make sure that I can get these to you. I'll be mailing them out this week. If you're not picked, don't worry. I wish I could get something for everybody, but don't worry. When I was planning this channel, I decided that I was going to do a lot of giveaways to share things with people. And so I will be having another giveaway very soon. Hopefully, I'm going to be doing another giveaway when we hit 200. And we are only, 26 people away from that. So it will be soon. I do giveaways every 4 to 6 weeks. So please, put in for them every time. I just love sharing things. All right, so first of all, and before I get into this, remember, you're not going to get the 10. I'm very sorry, but the amount of postage versus just taking these out and putting them in the small package versus mailing the 10 in the larger package, since I use the USPS priority mail boxes, is a huge price difference. So I'm really sorry. I mean, the 10s are cute, but I'm only going to be able to send out the products. So first of all, Sumi, thank you so much for giving me this idea and sending me screenshots and everything. So I am going to send one to you automatically for really going above and beyond, and I really appreciate it. So the first winner I picked is Claire K. Claire, I will be emailing you. Well, I already did email you. Hopefully you got it. If you didn't, email me. Let me know. Melinda Hall. By the way, I love your Gmail address. I absolutely love it. Yes, you got emailed, so let me know if you didn't get that. Send me a line. Third is Annalyn 1489. Congratulations. I already heard back from you. I know you got your notification. So happy. Katie Talley, I notified you via Instagram. Let me know if you didn't get that. I want to make sure that you get your package. Queen Sassy the First was number 5. I love that. I love your username. Absolutely love it. And Luann Thompson, you already got back to me too, so I know you got your notification. So congratulations to everybody who won one of these great benefit gift sets. And if you didn't win, like I said, just, I do giveaways all the time. We have another one right around the corner. So hang in there, keep watching and being part of the makeup community. I appreciate you guys more than I can even say. All right, guys, that does it for today. I will see you tomorrow in my videos for 2 for Tuesday, and I'll talk to you down in the comments section. Bye.